Let him do it. Carry go.
Lake Chad. The House notes, once a lifeline for millions of people in the Sahel region, Lake Chad, in correlation with the largest endorheic basin in Africa, has been rapidly shrinking over time due to climate change and unsustainable water management practices. Concerned that the shrinking of the lake has led to severe consequences on economic opportunities, causing displacement of millions of people who are now living in poverty and facing the threat of heightened security risks and extremism with both national and international ramifications. Aware that the World Bank in 2006 highlighted feasibility studies showing that interbasin water transfer as the main means to recharge and restore the lake, having minimal environmental impact as per an environmental and social impact assessment report. Cognizant that restoring the lake will not only help revive fishing and other aquatic resources industry, but also open up new opportunities for enhanced national security, food security, agriculture, tourism, improve urban water supply, restore moribund irrigation schemes, and other economic activities, improving the livelihoods of millions in the region and beyond. The House resolves to urge the federal government to kickstart a high-level diplomatic engagement for regional cooperation among the 5 member countries that constitute the Lake Chad Basin Commission, including Nigeria, Niger, Chad, Cameroon, and the Central African Republic, that will serve as the bedrock to further international cooperation. Urge the federal government to allocate significant resources in the 2024 budget of the Federal Ministry of Water Resources for an up-to-date feasibility study to increase the volume of water in the lake by diverting water from the Ubangi River, which is a tributary of the Congo River in the DRC, and transporting it to the Cherry River in the Republic of Chad, which deposits into the Lake Chad. Urge the federal government to work closely with international organizations to leverage their technical expertise and mobilize resources from a variety of sources that include international development banks and bilateral aid agencies such as the World Bank, African Development Bank, United Nations Development Program, United Nations Environment Program, as well as explore innovative financing mechanisms such as green bonds and public-private partnerships to ensure successful completion of the project. Mandate the Committees on Water Resources, Appropriation, Foreign Affairs, Environment, Climate Change, Northeast Development Commission, Lake Chad, AIDS Loan and Debt Management, Cooperation and Integration in Africa, and legislative compliance when constituted to ensure compliance. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I so move.
Please go ahead.